Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the watch ready. Put it on, unlock it, and make sure battery is above 20% so change is saved correctly. Next, tap the Settings app, the gray gear, because you'll change audio directly on device. Once done, scroll or use the digital crown to reach sounds and haptics. This is where volume lives. You're halfway into the action now, so make sure the watch is responsive before moving to volume controls. You're now in sounds and haptics, and here's how to lower volume. Tap ringer and alerts, then either rotate the digital crown or drag the slider with your finger to reduce output. Rotate slowly to fine-tune, you'll feel instant change. Make sure haptic alerts remain audible if you rely on taps, so lower ringer but keep haptics up. Also consider enabling cover to mute or switching to silent mode for a fast, temporary mute when needed. You finish by testing. Play a sound, ask Siri, or send a message to trigger a notification so you can confirm the new level. If the volume won't budge, restart the watch. That often clears minor glitches. Make sure Do Not Disturb and theater mode are off, and if problems persist, repair with your iPhone or reset settings only after confirming Apple ID and backups. This solves most issues. If not, contact support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.